Newcomer on the ballot, vying for the District 143 state representative seat. She'll run against current state rep James Beverly. 41 NBC's Joy Duke spoke with both candidates. She joins us now in the studio. Joy.
Michael, that newcomer is Phyliss Hightower. She's challenging Beverly, who's been in the seat for 7 years. Though the levels of experience may differ between the two, both say they know what's best for the people they're looking to represent.
Somebody needs to be there to fight for those funds, and I believe I'm the somebody that we need to do that.
What candidate Phyliss Hightower lacks in experience, she makes up for in drive.
I have not been in politics before, but have been civically interested much of my life.
She's looking to prove herself as the next state representative for District 143.
In this situation, I decided that a lot of promises had been made by my opponent that had not been kept.
Her opponent, State Representative James Beverly, has held the position for nearly a decade and says in that time he's accomplished quite a bit for the betterment of his constituents.
When it comes to getting people jobs, when it comes to actually moving land, when it comes to expanding 1675 and bringing macroeconomic opportunities community, I've done a lot.
One of his biggest local projects created jobs for dozens of unemployed men in the community, working construction for GDOT on the I-75, I-16 interstate expansion project.
How do we make sure that the other 14 communities beyond Pleasant Hill are actually getting part of that money? And I think there's a big thing we need to do and deal with blight and poverty.
Hightower says if she's chosen to represent the district, her top priorities will be focusing on making Bibbs' poor and elderly populations.
My agenda is to focus on Medicaid expansion. I want to see over 600,000 Georgians who are without health care and don't have access to hospitals. I want to see them be able to have that access.
The days until the general election are dwindling, and it'll be up to East Side residents to decide who they look to for change.
Prison reform is another platform point that Hightower says she's looking to see change in the state of Georgia. Beverly says his #1 priority remains the same, finding ways to promote economic growth in the community. Michael?
Well, Beverly says he believes he has an edge on Hightower because of his experience and reputation up at the state capitol in Atlanta. Election day for District 143 is May 22nd.